Hello learners, let's try to answer this question which is coming from 2025 internal. Yes, so the question says for the geometric progression 189 63 21 dash dash dash, find the common ratio. So this is how we can find the common ratio. So we are going to use the formula. So common ratio is given by the formula T2 divided by T1. So in this case, this is our T1 and this is our T2. So you get this one, you divide by this one. So in short, you are going to have 63 over 189, which is equal to, so we cancel 63 into 63 is 1, then 63 into 189, that is 3. So this is our common ratio. Then from there we can proceed to the next question. This was A, then we go to B. Question B is saying we are supposed to find the fifth term. So the formula for the fifth term, we say Tn is equal to the first term times the common ratio to the power n minus 1, where n represents that term. So in this case, n represents 5. And the A, this is the first term, which is 189. Then R, we have solved it here. So meaning, from here we can proceed to say term number 5 is equal to the first term that we had is 189. Then we multiply this one by the common ratio. And the common ratio in this case is 1 over 3. Then to the power 5 minus 1. Then now we can proceed to say this is 189 times 1 over 3, 5 minus 1, that is 4. So we have 4 like that. Then from there, we can proceed to say this is 189 multiplied by 1 to the power 4, that is 1 over 3 to the power 4, that is 81. Then from there, we can now proceed by saying 189 times 1, that is 189 over, here we have 81, because we just say over 1 here. So 1 times 81, that is 81. Then from there now, you look for a number that can go into 189 and 81, that is remainder, and that is 9. So meaning 9 here, it goes 21, and 9 here, it goes 9. But it's still more, we can still simplify these two. Okay, let me write them somewhere here. So I have 21 over 9. So again, there's still a number that can go into 21 and 9. And that number is 3. 3 here into 21, it goes 7 over 3 into 9, which is 3. So meaning this is our answer, 7 over 3. So that will be the fifth term. Then from there now we can proceed by answering the next question, which is sum to, this is sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is given by the formula. So this is the symbol for infinity. It's equal to first term divided by 1 minus r. So the first term, we have it as 189. So I have 189 divided by 1 minus the common ratio. Our common ratio, we found it as 1 over 3. So I have 1 over 3. Then from there we can proceed by saying 189 divided by, so 1 minus 1 over 3. This one will give us 2 over 3. So this fraction can also be written as 189. This division here, we can also use this one, the one that we normally know. So divided by 2 over 3. So 189 is a whole number. So meaning you can also make it a fraction. So it means over 1. So we have 189 over 1. Then let's find the inverse. So when we find the inverse, it means that this sign division, it will change to a division. So we have times like that. Then once you have times here, the denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. So in this case, we're going to have 3 over 2. Then again, you can still multiply here. So 189 times 3, that is 567. Yes, 567. Then over 1 times 2, which is 2. So from here now, you can divide. And the answer is in 283.5. So meaning this is our sum to infinity. So meaning we have gotten all the 7 marks. So for tuitions, you can also contact me on WhatsApp on the following number, which is +26 09 78 85 84 56. Thank you.